Hi everybody, this is Devyani right in front of you. Thank you so much for pressing this play button and watching me on your screen. So yeah, I have finally landed upon YouTube, and this was something which I really wanted to do this year. So I'm starting this beautiful journey with the support of all you guys, and we have to support each other and grow, right? So let's start with our first ever video on my channel. So the topic is affordable nail paint shades. Okay, I have come up with this really nice brand which is really good and affordable. Like as per their colors, उनकी range भी मतलब you can say balanced है दोनों. Okay, so this brand is Beauty People Co. Okay, it is how it shows, how it looks. I'll show you on the screen right over here somewhere. So when I visited their website, I saw that उनके पास और भी सारे products हैं. Okay, not just nail paint, they have many other products as well. Now, before going ahead, let me just clear with you all कि this is a completely non-sponsored video or non-collaborated video. Okay, no one is gonna sponsor me right now. I don't think so brands even know that I have landed on YouTube. So this is my first video, like I said, and no one's gonna sponsor me. These are products which I have personally bought them, tested them, tried them, and that is when I'm recommending you guys to do it. I request you to please watch this video till the end, because there's going to be a small surprise for all you guys at the end of this video, and I'm sure that surprise is going to be really useful for you. So please keep watching as we head towards the review of the products. So yeah, let's start with the review without wasting much time. I'm going to show you all the nail paint shades which I've ordered. Now I have ordered 8 shades, 8 nail paint shades, because मुझे वैसे भी खरीदने भी थे and मुझे वीडियो भी बनानी थी. So I made into my mind कि किसको क्या पसंद आया, कैसे शेड पसंद आते हैं, उस हिसाब से मैंने अपना मतलब दिमाग लगाया और उस हिसाब से मैंने शेड्स ऑर्डर किए. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि उनका पैकेजिंग कैसा था. So this was the packaging. उनका पैकेजिंग was like this. It comes in the box and the shades were all inside. Okay, like this, and they were all wrapped in a wrapper like this. So yeah, let's start with the first shade, which is my personal favorite. Okay, this is really nice. It comes on a nude side, and it looks like this. Can you see it? I hope you guys can see it. This is a very pretty shade, and it is almost common in all the brands, and I also have it for 1 or 2 brands, but I also thought of trying it from this brand as well, and it is nice. It is very nice, and it comes in a cute bottle like this. It's very nice, and the quantity is also quite nice as per the budget, and these all shades are of 40 rupees each. Okay, so one shade for 40 rupees. Moving on to the second shade, it's just a very common color, a red, but my personal favorite, and I like to wear these type of shades during festive seasons. वो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. They मतलब वो अलग ही एक look create हो जाता है red से, है ना. So I really like it, and I thought of trying that red as well, and this is how the shade looks. So it's completely red, like the blood red types, and the shade number is 191. I'm going to tell you all the shade numbers and the shade names in the description below, so you can check it out. Moving on to the third shade, it's 180, and it is also on the red side, but a bit darker. It comes, you can say, on the maroon side, and it looks like this. I really like it because it looks very nice, and I sometimes keep this maroon type on some maroon sarees or maroon. I try to match maroon shade with the maroon dress itself, so it looks really good along with. The next shade which I'm going to show you is on the grey side. Oh wow, I so love the greys in the nail paints. They look so classy. मतलब ऑफिस के लिए और इस सब के लिए मतलब ग्रेज आर द बेस्ट गर्ल्स. दे मतलब वो बहुत ही अलग ही लुक लाते हैं, मतलब मैं बता नहीं सकती कैसा, बट वो दे रियली लुक वेरी क्लासी एंड आई वाज ऑफ कोर्स गोना ट्राई दैट ग्रे एज वेल. सो दिस इज हाउ द शेड लुक्स. शायद इसमें आपको थोड़ा वो लाइट की वजह से डार्क ब्लू में दिख रहा होगा, बट नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू कैन चेक इट आउट. दिस इज कम्प्लीटली ग्रे. इफ यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द बॉटल, it is completely grey and it looks really nice. Please do give it a try. So ये जो these shades which I am telling you first, जो पहले के जो shades हैं ना कुछ, वो मैं वही shades रखना पसंद करती हूँ. I don't like to use ज़्यादा light shades क्योंकि वो पता नहीं मुझे पसंद नहीं आता है, या they somehow don't look good on my hands. So the next shade now. The next shade is again my personal favorite. I so love this color. It is so शांत, मतलब उसको देख के ऐसा शांत फील का होता है. मतलब it comes on the nude type itself, but a bit lighter side. And just as the name suggests, the name of the shade is dusky, and just as it suggests, it's really dusky. So you might be getting an idea कि ये कैसा होगा. And this is how the shade looks. Isn't it really pretty? It looks very nice. Trust me, please try for this shade. This and the previous one which I said, ये दोनों shades बहुत ही प्यारे लगेंगे. Trust me. Moving on to the next shade. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैं जो हमेशा यूज़ करती हूँ ये सारे कलर्स वो ख़त्म होते हैं. अब मैं वो कलर्स दिखाऊंगी जो मैं बहुत मतलब ना के बराबर यूज़ करती हूँ, लेकिन मैंने आप लोगों के लिए ही ये मंगवाया है सो दैट आप लोगों में से अगर किसी को ये कलर्स पसंद आते हैं तो यू कैन जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई. नाउ द नेक्स्ट शेड इज इनटू दैट लाइट ब्लू काइंड ऑफ थिंग. पेस्टल ब्लू होता है ना, वो वाला शेड है एंड इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. So this shade is not my so favorite. मतलब मैं कभी मतलब मन किया तो मैं यूज़ कर भी लूँगी, नहीं तो फिर ये ऐसे ही पड़ा रहेगा, मुझे पता है. So मैंने इसलिए मैंने इससे पहले इस टाइप के ज़्यादा शेड्स कभी लिए नहीं है, तो but I liked this. I think I'll just try on some of my outfits. So the next shade, guys, the next shade is again not so my favorite. मतलब ये भी ऐसे ही कभी मन किया तो मैं पहन लेती हूँ, अगर पहन भी लिया तो 2-3 दिन बाद मैं उतार दूँगी इस शेड को. इट इज़ द ब्राइट पिंक वाला शेड. आई थिंक आई गेस यू गाइज आर गेटिंग इट. वो जो ब्राइट पिंक होता है ना, पर्टिकुलर एक शेड जो हर ब्रांड निकालती है, तो वो शेड मुझे इतना कुछ खास पसंद नहीं है, बट मैंने फिर भी ट्राई किया एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. So yeah, this shade not so my type, but I think of course I have to use it now that I've bought it. The last shade, guys, the last shade is I do like the shade sometimes during I think summers and everything. ये shade ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा कुछ outfits के ऊपर, and I am sure कि आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों को ये shade पसंद होगा. And it looks like this. So this shade is from that coral range जो जनरली आती है, and इतना कुछ खास पसंद नहीं मुझे, but I think I'll give it a try. So yeah, moving on to the last part of the video where I said to you earlier that I have a small surprise for you guys. So the surprise is that I have a coupon code for you guys to buy the products from this brand Beauty People Co. Now this coupon code is really going to be useful to you because first of all the prices of the products are really affordable. उसमें भी आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है 10% का. The coupon code is Divyani10 और आपको फ्लैट 10% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. So it is a big thing for me also कि मेरे पहले वीडियो पे किसी को फ़ायदा हो रहा है, and also to you guys कि आप खरीद पाओगे या सोचोगे, right? Do give it a try to the nail paint shades. They are really amazing, trust me. And once you do this, please do ping me on Instagram because your one message is going to really motivate me for my next videos and for my next challenges. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Please show some love, guys, because we have to support and grow each other, right? So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon to the next video. Bye.